Long ago, in the eastern part of India, there was a kingdom called Manikpur. The ruler of that kingdom was King Ravindra Singh. He had a brave son named Prince Kashyap. Prince Kashyap was truly brave. He was skilled in every art of weaponry, and his courage was known far and wide.
Long lives Kashyap! Long lives Kashyap!
One day, Prince Kashyap said to his friends,
Let's go hunting in the forest today.
As they entered the forest, they saw a deer passing by. Seeing the hunt, the prince said excitedly,
Hey, there is the deer. Hurry up, catch it.
As they moved closer, a few wild bears suddenly attacked the prince's sword. Prince Kashyap struck one bear down and threw another over its companion.
Hey, run! Get away! Run for your lives! Come on fast! Run away!
While running, the prince's foot slipped from a cliff. He fell deep into a large valley with a river below. A girl standing nearby saw him falling. Looks like someone is drifting in the river. Sonia rushed to the river bank and saw a young man floating away. She quickly threw a rope toward him and shouted, Here, grab the rope, hold on. With great effort, Sonia pulled the prince out of the water. But as soon as he came ashore, he fainted. Sonia took him home. And when Prince opens his eyes,
Hey, where I am?
Please don't move. You are badly hurt. My name is Sonia. You were floating in the river. I brought you here. You've been unconscious for 2 days.
2 days?
Yes, but don't worry. You will recover soon.
I'm Kashyap, Prince of Manikpur. I was injured while hunting and fell into the valley. Then I don't remember anything.
And like this, 2 days passed. Sonia cared for the prince with great kindness during these 2 days. Watching her, the prince thought to himself,
She is so beautiful.
If only I could get a husband like him. Love slowly bloomed between them. One day, Prince Kashyap said,
Sonia, I want to marry you.
But Before she could finish, a snake from a tree coiled around her. The prince rushed to save her, but the snake wrapped around him instead. With great strength, he tore the snake's mouth open and killed it. Suddenly, a blinding light filled the air.
Hey, what's this? Who are these glowing fairies?
Thank you, brave one. You saved our daughter's life. We owe you deeply.
You mean she's also a fairy?
Yes, she is. She was punished for a mistake and sent here without wings or magic. Her punishment ends today. Brave prince, allow us to go now. We must return.
Okay, but...
Before he could say anything more, Sonia came close and whispered, Prince, meet the sage of Red Garden. He will surely find a way.
Okay, my love. Take care.
Farewell, my beloved. After Sonia left, Kashyap returned home. Everyone was too worried at home. As soon as the king and queen saw Kashyap, they were overjoyed. After meeting everyone, he went to meet his friends.
We searched everywhere for you, Kashyap. Where had you gone?
The prince told his friends everything about Sonia.
So our prince has fallen in love. We must first visit the sage of Red Garden. He'll guide us. Yes, that's right. We'll find him tomorrow morning.
The next morning, everyone set out together toward Red Garden and they say,
This must be the great sage of Red Garden.
Prince says to the monk standing outside,
Sir, we wish to speak with the holy sage. Sure, but you need to wait.
After some time, the great sage came out to meet them.
Tell me, child, what help do you seek from me?
The prince told the sage everything.
So you want to meet Sonia again? Yes, even I want to marry her. Before receiving an answer, you must prove your worth. You will have to fight the fierce bear named Mahakal, who terrorizes this forest. As you command, Holy One, I am ready to face the bear. Please take me there.
The sage, the prince, and his friends went deep into the forest to the bear's cave.
Inside this cave lives Mahakal. Go now, face him with courage.
The prince and his friends entered the cave. Suddenly, a huge bear roared and charged towards the prince. Saying this sage to the prince,
Well done, Kashyap. You have proved your bravery. Now I'll tell you the way to meet Sonia.
soon the sage led Kashyap and his friends to a quiet lake, and there he says,
From the center of this lake lies the path to fairyland. Go carefully, brave one.
Kashyap and his friends boarded a small boat and began rowing across the lake. After traveling a long time, they saw golden stairs rising high into the sky. They stepped out of the boat and climbed the steps. At the top stood a grand palace shining in moonlight.
Prince Kashyap, we should wait until dark before entering.
As darkness fell, the prince quietly entered the palace and reached Sonia's room.
Sonia,
You? How did you come here?
Sonia, just as you said, I met the sage. He showed me the way to fairyland. But he also said, I cannot marry you because you are a fairy and I am a human. He told me only your queen mother knows the solution. I want to meet her.
That's true, my love. Tomorrow, when the Queen Mother holds court, present your request to her.
All right then, I'll do that. Bye, my love.
As the prince and his friends turned to leave, suddenly fairies surrounded them all.
Oh no, we are trapped. What do we do now?
The fairies captured the prince and his friends and locked them inside the dungeon.
Now what, Prince? Tomorrow we'll be taken before the Queen Mother. And that's exactly what I want.
The next day, Prince Kashyap and his friends were presented before the royal court. And then Prince Kashyap told everything to the Queen Mother. So, you wish to marry Sonia?
Yes, Your Majesty.
That's not an easy task. To earn her hand, you must bring red, white, and blue magical gems and place them before our deity.
Do not worry, Your Majesty. I shall surely bring all three. Please grant me permission to go.
Go, brave one. May success follow your steps. Prince Kashyap and his friends returned then to the sage and narrated him everything.
The Queen spoke of three sacred gems, each hidden in a dangerous place. The white gem lies in the Blue Valley, the red gem on the peak of the Black Mountain, and the blue gem deep under the sea. It will not be easy to find them. No worries, wise one. With your blessings, we shall succeed. May victory be yours.
And all four of them set out for the journey. Mountains or deserts, they kept on walking. During the night, they took turns to guard each other. Whether it was rain or storms, they kept on walking. And finally, they reached the Blue Valley. They found strange snakes everywhere. The snakes attacked them fiercely, yet the prince and his men fought together and defeated them.
Those were terrifying creatures. Who knows what dangers lie ahead?
Saying this, the four friends entered the valley, and soon they reached the destination. As they entered, a loud growling noise echoed through the caves, followed by a flash of blinding light. In that fierce glow, a huge rhinoceros charged straight at them. As the rhinoceros approached them, to save their lives, they ran wherever they could.
Is everyone all right? All good here.
With his sword clenched between his teeth, Prince Kashyap stepped forward to face the beast. The rhino roared and rushed toward him, but the prince leapt onto its back, struck it repeatedly, and finally brought it down. Soon, he found the shining white gem.
I have done it. The beast is defeated. Amazing! We didn't even have to draw our swords. Great job, Prince!
Now the four friends set out to find the blue gem. After a long journey, they reached the seashore.
At last, this is where the blue gem must be. But how will we reach inside the sea? Friends, we have to swim down.
They dove into the deep blue water. As they began swimming down, giant fishes attacked them. The friends fought bravely and killed the creatures. Then a huge octopus appeared and grabbed the prince tightly in its tentacles. Kashyap swiftly drew his sword and slashed at its arms until it released him. At last he killed the monster and claimed the blue gem. The group then continued toward the Black Mountain to find the final red gem. As soon as they reached Black Mountain, they saw...
Wait, why are these people fighting each other here? So much chaos and bloodshed.
Suddenly, royal soldiers arrived.
Arrest them all. Wait, why? What have we done? Quiet, or you'll be killed right here.
These soldiers captured them and threw them into the prison.
Oh, where have we landed ourselves now? Don't worry. When the commander arrives, we'll tell him who we are. He'll surely let us go.
Hearing this, an old man imprisoned nearby spoke softly.
He will not spare you. He'll have you all killed. But why it is so? Because I am the true king of this land. My brother plotted against me with the commander's help. He seized my throne and spread terror ever since. He is cruel and merciless. He kills anyone who stands in his way. What do we do now, Prince? We must escape. No matter what, we still have to find the red gem. The red gem. To get it, you'll have to defeat my wicked brother. The gem is set in his crown.
That night, the group broke the prison lock and quietly escaped. The old king guided them through the dark passages.
There, he lives in that palace.
Suddenly, the wicked brother appeared.
You monster! You killed my wife and children! I won't spare you today! Then prepare to die at my hands! Don't laugh, you snake! Try fighting me instead of this old man. Come on, I'm ready to fight.
Prince Kashyap fought with the evil king and killed him. He removed the gem from the crown, handed the throne back to the old king and continued his journey. Reaching Fairyland, Prince Kashyap presented all three gems before the Queen Mother.
Now, may I finally marry Sonia?
You have truly proven your bravery. We gladly accept your proposal. What happened then? What else? A royal grand wedding. A grand celebration was announced and all the relatives were invited. Everyone praised the courage of Prince Kashyap, who proved that with determination and will, nothing is impossible.